Mackenzie Wire.
This is a puppet show by Mackenzie Wire, filmed by Amber Hill. Action.
My name is Honey. What is your name? Huh? What is your name? What is your name? I died. Hello, I'm Honey's little sister, Taylor. I'm not as crazy as she is. And this is my best friend, Xana. Say hi to everyone, Xana. Xana, say hi. Hello. Goodbye. Well, I'm going to bring up my crazy sister, Honey. Okay, that's all the end. This film was filmed by some really good people. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye, Mackenzie.
Bye.
Bye.